So what I've done is I've cut it out of green mirror card, and I've also cut it out of white card as well, just plain white card, and I've just stacked them on top of each other. And I made sure to put self-adhesive sheets on the back of the green card before I started die cutting, and also on the back of the white card before I started die cutting. So then it just means now all I've got to do is peel the backing off in one go and stick it down. And so there you have your finished card. Now if you wanted to, you could really go to town. I was thinking these could be little flower boxes. So if you want to do this for a birthday card, these could be little flower boxes. You can have little flowers popping out. On the top one you wouldn't be able to because it'd make it too big, but you could do it here and you could do it here. It folds down flat, so you can either fold it like this, and if you fold it like this, it will fit in a 5 by, let's have a look, a 5 by 12. But I was thinking, because I like things to fit in a 5 by 7,